Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. First thing you need to do is opening two of your apps in the background. In order to do that, tap on the first one, click on Home button, click on the second one, and tap on the square button. Now select the icon of an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Click on Split Top and just tap on the other one. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!